Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use Spotify with Shokz OpenSwim. The first thing you need to do is to open your Spotify app, find the song and the album you would like to download, and click on the three dots button. The button look like this, the three dots. Then click share and then click on copy link button. Then paste copy link above and press submit. Then wait for processing to finish and click download button. Here you will need to paste the link of your Spotify song and the album which you want to download from Spotify. This is the Spotify downloader, as you can see. From here you can download your Spotify songs and albums. After, you will need to create the folder of your songs in your PC and laptop. Basically the MP3 folders of your songs. Then connect this device to your PC and laptop and move the songs into this device after creating MP3 songs folder and connect this device to your OpenSwim. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.